What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and we're back with another review. This time, now I've already been over the actual cases. These cases are from Nimbus 9. They are both the Cirrus 2. This one is for the iPhone XS Max. This one is for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now, I've been through the makeup of these cases before in previous reviews. The Nimbus 9 Cirrus 2 cases have these metal plates in the back. So just to show you, metal plate in that one, and this iPhone one. Let's see if we can get that paper out. We got metal plate number 2 right here. So we got metal plates in there. Let's sit those to the side, put these back in, because I like to keep everything nice and neat. So since we talked about those cases already one time before, I wanted to bring you guys a video about this. This is the actual car mount kit. Now, the car mount kit includes the actual magnetic mount itself. It has the little ball grip. It has a vent clip adapter, and it comes with a light metal insert that's gonna really protect and hold these things up. So let's do this. Get everything. You got a metal insert right here. You get the ball grip right here. It has 3M tape on the bottom, two-sided tape, and you actually get the magnetic piece right here itself. So the whole kit comes with all of this on the inside. Now, this magnetic piece is pretty strong. Pretty strong. I know we don't have a phone in there right now, but what I want to do is I'm going to take all of this to the vehicle. I'm going to take this to the car, and then we are going to take it for a little test drive. We're going to install it in the car. We'll probably use the vent clip. That's the most common use. I don't like sticking this to my dashboard, but we're going to use the vent clip. We're going to take the Nimbus 9 out, and we're probably going to use the Samsung phone just for a reference point. But let's go to the vehicle and take a ride. What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another video. For this review, I'm actually in my vehicle. We're going to talk about something I just got. These are vent clips. Now, this is a magnetic clipping piece. I just got these in from Nimbus 9. Now, I talked to you a little bit about their case, the case line, the Cirrus 2. This is on my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So, this case actually has a metal piece right down here in the back. With the kit that came from Nimbus 9, this is magnetic. Let's see. Remember, I showed you it will stick. In the review videos, these will stick to magnets. So this is vent clip number 1, and this is actually a 3M sticky pad that you can actually put on your dash or mount it anywhere that you want in the car. This is going to be interchangeable with the clip that comes on back of here. So you just screw this piece off and you snap this piece back in. But for this demonstration, I just want to use the actual magnetic piece because I don't want to stick the 3M stuff on my dash. That's all. That's the only reason. I'm picky like that. So without further ado, we're going to get this put in the vent, and I'm going to do just a little driving around just to show you guys how stable it is and how it's going to work in your vehicle. So stay tuned. So in my truck, I actually have the vertical vent. You don't want to sit this like down here. It will drag it down. But if you have the horizontal vents, you can place it anywhere. On your vertical vent, I'm going to sit it over here because my gear shift is in the way on the other side. But you want to sit it right above this knob right here. You put it there, above the knob, press it all the way back. Got your Nimbus 9 logo right here. Remember, our magnet is back here. There we go. Got the phone open, got it stable. Now we're gonna take a quick ride around just to see how it holds up. Go over a few bumps and see if it falls off. Stay So as we're moving, we're driving. The holder, magnetic backing, is holding up.
It bounces just a little bit, but that's to be expected. All right, so speed bumps. Let's speed bump test number 1. Passes. We'll hit 2 more speed bumps just to see how it works. Make sure that it's nice and stable, nice and steady. It's gonna hold your phone. It's gonna keep it from falling on your floor, on your console. Speed bump test number 2. There we go. One more speed bump to go. Once we hit this one, we should be done. I think 3 speed bumps is probably enough. Speed bump test number 3. Nimbus 9 magnetic backing. The magnetic car holder, the mount, it holds up. It's done really well on this little drive. Now we're gonna take it back to the house and we'll finish up. So all in all, this Nimbus 9 car mount kit is a great value. I'm going to make sure I leave a link below so you can go and check this out. But it works on the Cirrus 2 case that I have on my Samsung Galaxy S10, as well as their Ghost 2 case. They both come with the metal plate in the back, and you'll be able to snap it on, put it in your vent, and forget it. And remember, you also have this piece with the 3M tape. If you want to put this on your dash and mount it like that, either way, it's gonna work. So I hope this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.